Hello and welcome back class 2. This is your English class. Today we are going to take chapter 8 of English first. The name of our chapter is articles, that is a, an and the. My dear students, in previous classes also you have learnt about the articles. Now so let's first revise and read what is given here. We know that a, e, I, o, u are called vowels. All the other letters of the English alphabet are called consonant. Yes, my dear students, A, E, I, O, U are 5 vowels and rest of the 21 letters of English alphabet are called consonants. So, it is important to remember that the use of A and an depends on vowel and consonants sound. Always write an before words beginning with A, E, I, O, U. Yes, my dear students, the letter which starts with A, E, I, O, U, just before that we use an, isn't it? And the word which begin with the consonant we use before them A. Now, okay. So, in further exercises, we will learn about the use of the. So, let's go to the exercises. So, now my dear students, see here given always write an before words beginning with A, E, I, O, U. So, in exercise A, you can see few things are given like egg, elephant, axe and apple. You see with which letter they are starting? They are starting with E. First is egg. So it is started with E. Second one elephant. It starts with E. Third one is axe and it starts with A. And fourth one is apple. It starts with A. So because they are starting with the vowel, we will write an before them. Isn't it? So we mentioned here an egg, an elephant, an axe and an apple. Okay. Always write A before words beginning with the other letters or consonant. Now see here. Name the things given the picture below. Put A in front of each. See this dog, house, boy and giraffe. The all words which are given here are starting with consonant. See dogs T is a consonant, house का H भी consonant है, boys B also consonant and giraffes G also is a consonant. So before consonant we use A. Got that? Got it up to here? Let us do now exercise C. So dear students, you can see here few words are given and there before them you have to put the an or A. Okay, just keep in mind the vowels, and before vowels we will use an and before the consonant we will use A. So first one is a iPod. So iPod से पहले हम an लगाएंगे क्योंकि I जो है हमारा वो vowel है. Second doctor. Doctor's D is a consonant, so we will mention here A. In the same way O is a vowel, so before that we will write an. Before egg we will write an. Before aeroplane we will write an. Okay, because A in and E both are vowel. Next exercise, a pancake, an ice cream, a chocolate, an emu and an orchard. Okay, now let's go to the exercise D. Look at the following sentences and circle the. See my dear students, here the is given in bold letters, so you have to circle them. Have you ever watched a sunrise in the Himalayas? The Indian Ocean is named after our country. The Ganga and the Brahmaputra are long rivers. The Red Fort was built by Shah Jahan. We read the Times of India and the French makes the best perfume. Okay, so here you have to see the difference between the and the. See here, first letter is given capital. Two reasons for this we have, because first we will start our new sentence with a capital letter. Na? So, and in between the sentences, if we have to write any word, we can write it in small letters. So here given the Himalayas, the Brahmaputra, the times of India. See my dear students, this Himalayas is the name of mountain, Himalaya, na? So before that T should be capital. In the same here, Brahmaputra is the name of river, so before that also we have to write this T capital. Here in fourth it is given correctly, and this the times of India before that also. Then the French makes the best perfume. Okay, so this the you have to be careful, because whenever we write a special thing's name, we are using the with the capital letters. Okay, so let's go to the next exercise, that is E. Fill in the blanks with a and or the. So we will read it and now we will fill it. I sat on an armchair and read a storybook. Australia is an island where the animal called kangaroo is found. Have you seen an owl with speckles? Then the Himalayas are in the north of India. The Bible is a holy book and so is the Ramayana. I put the letter I wrote in an envelope. The Red Fort is an historical monument. And eighth one, the umbrella protects us from the sun and rain. Okay, my dear students, you can see now here some places, the Bible, the Himalayas, the Ramayanas. Now before that, whenever we will write we will write it with a capital T. Okay, so the Red Fort, and the first letter always we will keep the capital. Whenever we will start a new sentence, whenever we start a new sentence, always put the first letter capital. Okay, keep in mind these things and do the exercises in the notebook. So tomorrow again we will meet with another chapter. Thank you.